Hi guys, Andy here, and I'm here to bring you all things Monday to makeup related. If that's your vibe, I'd love it if you'd subscribe to be part of my little slice of the internet. And in today's video, we're bringing you the May update to the project Panopoly. So if you want to see all the progress I've made, we have a full refresh, which is crazy. I think it's been ages since that's happened. Let's get right on into it. This was created by Jami at the Impulsive Panner. She'll be listed down below as all the pertinent information is always. It's a game board inspired project. Use dice to travel around the board. You do what the prompt says that you land on, and you spin wheels. You'll see when we get there. You start with 5 prompts. It's rolling style from there, and I'm going to be ending this on December 31st of this year. Well, my December update will be my last update because I just think that'll be a good rounding out ending to this project. So let me see how long this has been in, to be exact. Panopoly. Because this is for high end, and it is my Valentino little lipstick here, and this has been in since September. So she looks like this. And I had an 8 use goal on this guy. I used it for the very last time. I only had one more use to get in April, and I did that on the 2nd of April. So I finally got my 8 uses. This has been in since September. And I finally got my 8 uses. I love this little lipstick. It's one of my favorite reds in my collection. I just don't wear red lipstick that often, so it took me quite a few months to get my uses on that lipstick. But that is a rollout and a goal finally met. Then we had blush. And this was in for a 10 times use. This is the What's Up Beauty Rose Hippity Matte Liquid Blush in Oceana. And it's one of these poof style blushes. I used it twice in March, and I decided for a total of 3 uses. And I decided on March 20th that I was going to declutter this. First of all, I don't like the poof applicator. I have come to terms with that this style applicator is just not for me. I don't like it at all, but also I could get over that. This blush is the most mattifying blush I have ever used in my life. It is flat matte. The color, as you can see here, like the color is fine and it does lock. I hate how flat matte this is on the face. And I just don't like the applicator, and I don't like so many things about it, so I'm not going to keep it. So I'm not going to force myself to hate pan it. So I decided we are decluttering that, so that is a goal met and a roll out. Then we had oldest product, and one of my oldest products in my collection is this Skin Frost from Jeffree Star, and it is in the shade Princess Cut. As you can see, I was working on the top of this star here. I only had a 5 use goal. I used it the last 2 times in March, and I met my goal on March 23rd. I love this highlighter. It is a beautiful pinky highlighter, but I think the pinky highlighter I'm wearing today is nicer than this one. So, but it's in a duo, which I hate, honestly. So you win some, you lose some. Then on the back, these are from the new board. So going forward, we're in the new board now. We had from Wheel 3, Most Used. And the most used product in my collection is this Revlon Glimmer Correcting Concealer, and I have the shade Neutralizer 105, and I had a 7 use goal on this guy. I used it all 7 times in March, and I met my goal on March 24th. I have to declutter this. I have used it 226 times in my collection. I have had it just over a year. I believe it has a 12-month shelf life. Let me see if I can see that on here. No, it must have been on the actual packaging. It's not on this itself, but I would assume it has a 12-month shelf life. It might have only had a 6-month shelf life. But I got it in January of 2025, so it's just past its 1-year mark. This, I have done process of elimination with a couple of products. This is causing my eyes to water and my nose to run when I do my makeup. And just today, because I finally realized after my process of elimination that it was this product, I took this out today to film this. It smells. It smells bad. So I'm gonna throw this in my empties to talk about it because it's the most used product in my collection. Like, I used it over 200 times. And I feel like that needs to be documented also somewhere else. So I'm gonna talk about it in my Q2 empties, but it's not an empty. But like, it's an honorary empty, in my humble opinion, because I tried. I just didn't, I've used it all the time. Like, I have not put this away except for maybe a week or two here and there since I got this. So you use so little. I use a dot in my inner corner and a dot under my nose, and that's it. But this goal met, but also it's a declutter. And last but not least, the last product we were working on was from Wheel 3, and that was newest. And one of my newest products was this Too Faced Kissing Jelly Gloss, and I have the shade Pink Sherbet. And I had a goal to use this 11 times, which was super easy. I love the little doe foot applicator. I love it, just hugs the lips. This smells like gummy worms. And 11 uses got me a nice big old dip in the packaging there. I think another 11 uses would finish this, to be honest with you. I don't think these are worth the money because you don't get a lot of product. To be fair, that's 11 days of use. That's not counting like reapplications. So some days I probably used it 2 or 3 times in a day. But I used it 3 times in April to meet my 11 use goal. All the other times I used it was in March, and I met my goal on the 3rd of April. Jesus, words. My brain is going faster than my mouth again because of all the coffee. But I do really like this. Like, if I could find these on sale, like if you get these half off or something, I think they're worth it then, but I don't think they're worth it full price. So, that is a goal met and a rollout. So now, I'm going to scoot on over a little bit, and we are going to screen record and see what we get. So, let's roll our dice. We got a 8. Ooh. Those can go away. Oh, come on. There we go. So that's where we were. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Move 3 spaces. 1, 2, 3. We're just visiting. So spin again. And 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Wheel 5. So let's go see what Wheel 5 has in store for us. No. Spin wheel. Lip. Okay. And let's see. Oh, can I use the random use wheel now? Yes, I can use the random use wheel now. So we got 5 times use. Okay. Roll dice. We got another 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wheel 3. Least used. Okay. Well, I have some new to me products that have never been used, so that is a-okay with me. Roll the dice. Roll dice. Let's see how many uses we get. Roll the dice. Roll the dice. 2. 2 times use. So nothing too shabby. We got 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 4. Wheel 4. I'm glad I'm getting all different wheels. A cream product. Okay. I already know what I'm going to pick for that, I believe, depending on what my usage is. Oh, yeah, for sure. 5 times use. Okay. We got an 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wheel 3 again. Okay. Most used. I'm gonna have to look through what's my most used now that I can't use that Revlon eye brightener. That makes me very sad, honestly. And 20 times use. Okie dokie, that's fun. And our last one, we got a 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Wheel 4. A blush. Okay. And 5 times use. Got it. So I'm gonna go pick out all of those products. The only one I know for sure is my cream product, because I've already been working on a cream product that's not in a project. It's already in my focus drawer, so I know I'm gonna pull that. But everything else, I'm like, so it's gonna take me a minute. But for you guys, it's gonna be just a second, so right back. Okay, I have my products here. That took me forever. I mean, not really, but really. Need out a makeup wipe so we can do some swatchy swatches. There we go. So for the first one, which was Wheel 5, which was lip, for a 5 times use, I'm bringing in this Bare Minerals Dewy Lip Gloss Balm, and it's in the shade Friendship. I got this from Marshall's because I liked my one I got in my Ipsy so much, which is in the shade Soul. This one's more of a brown, but I'm excited to give this some love. And that's for 5 times use. Then we had Wheel 3, Least Used, which it's never been used. It's one of my brand new items. This is from Morphe, and this is their Gelée highlighter in Over Ice, which looks like this. And this only has a 2 times use. It's so cold. It's like an icy white gold. So I'm excited to see if I like this. Hopefully 2 uses will be enough uses to tell me if I like it. Then we had Wheel 4, which is cream product for a 5 times use, and I'm bringing in my Wet n Wild Fluffy Bronzer in the shade Beige, Please. Like I said, this is already in my drawer. I've been using it every day because I didn't have a bronzer that I was currently working on, so like I'm wearing it today. And that is the shade right there. It is a very nice bronzer. I like it very, very much. I just don't like this size of pot, specifically for the bronzer. Like, my blush brush can get into the blush one really nicely, but my bronzer brushes just cannot get into this little guy, so I end up just taking my finger and putting it on my face with my finger first and then blending it out, which works fine, but it's just annoying. Then for wheel 3, most used, I had to go through my spreadsheet and listen for a 20 times use. My most used product is my Kokie concealer, but that is currently in deck of panning to finish. So, kind of can't throw that in here because that would be double dipping and we don't do that. Then my other most used item with 100 and how many? 148 uses is my NYX glitter glue, which, like, yeah, I could have thrown this in here, but I just think that's so lame. Like, this is such a lame product to throw in a project because I use this every day. Every day that I do makeup, I use this product. So I just think this is lame to throw into a project. So my next most used item would be this eyeliner from Lovecraft Beauty, and it has 56 uses. It is my smallest eyeliner. I actually have a backup of this eyeliner because I love it so much. It is just a creamy, like, beige. It's beautiful in the waterline. It's actually beautiful as an eye primer, like a shadow stick type deal. So 20 uses on that guy. And then our last but not least was wheel 4 blush for a 5 times use. This is a new blush to me. I have not tried this yet, and this is the CoverGirl Skin Enhancer Baked Luminous Blush, and I have the shade 410 Rose Latte. I have heard that these blushes are amazing and fantastic and wonderful, but I have not tried it yet. So there's Rose Latte right there. You can see the sheen, a little bit of color, very pretty. I'll be very excited to give this a try. It kinda is competing with a blush I'm currently working on, but like, this blush only has 5 uses. The other blush that I'm working on that's a similar color only has a 3-use goal. So I'm not too concerned. And let's get the eyeliner off my hand, please. Let's get the eyeliner off my hand, please. Really have to. It stays put. That is for sure. So that is going to do it for this month's update for our whole total refresh. I hope you guys enjoyed. That is going to do it, like I said, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.